Welcome to Yvonne Business TV. We help busy side hustlers learn how to solve business challenges through clear and time-saving classic book summaries. We show you the roadmap, no fluff, just bite-sized brilliance that fits into your day.
What if I told you the only thing standing between you and the life you want is concentration? Inspired by The Power of Concentration, written by Theron Q. Dumont. This drama will make you laugh, think, and maybe finally focus. Stick around, because the end might just change your life.
He's trying to become successful, but he doesn't even know where to start. He has a YouTube channel idea. He wants to start a second-hand clothes business. His friend just told him about farming and he is seriously considering it. He sells jewelry and accessories and he's learning how to trade crypto. Too many ideas. No results.
He opened his laptop. Up to 10 tabs were open all at once. How to make money fast, best ways to grow a second-hand clothes business, how to grow a YouTube channel, funny TikTok sounds, crypto price today. At a point, he began to feel overwhelmed. He was involved in so many activities at the same time. He has achieved so little. He became confused even though he worked so hard.
Oh God, please. Which one should I do first now? He exclaimed one day. John is not lazy. In fact, his brain is too active. The problem is that he can't focus.
Inside John's head, there are two voices. One voice says, "Bro, concentrate. Let's finish that online course today." The other voice says, "After we watch TV small and check what's trending on X first."
TheronQDumont, in The Power of Concentration, says we all have two sides, the one that wants to grow, and the one that wants to relax, gist, and chill. The one you feed is the one that wins.
John thought his problem was spiritual. So, he went into prayers. "Oh Lord my God, any enemy of progress in my life, catch fire. Fire. Fire." As he was praying, his phone buzzes. He opens one eye and checks WhatsApp. His friend just sent him a message that Davido's latest song just got released now. He quickly replied his friend and went back to prayer and started screaming in a loud voice, "Fire. Let every enemy of my progress be destroyed."
John wants to concentrate, but even his prayers are multitasking.
Lesson 1: Concentration finds the way. The book says concentration is like a light. When you focus it, you see clearly. But when it's scattered, you see nothing. John finally sits down, turns off his notifications, picks one project, and starts working only on his jewelry business. When you concentrate, things begin to move. Miracles start happening. Not magic, just focused effort. Key lessons from The Power of Concentration: your focus determines your result. You become what you constantly think about and act on. If you're always jumping from idea to idea, you'll never succeed in one. Concentration is like light. Light can warm a room. But if you focus it like a laser, it can cut through metal. That's how your mind works. Opportunities don't just happen, they're created. The man who succeeds isn't the smartest or richest, he's the one who focuses and keeps going. Success is for anyone, but only those who concentrate will reach it. The book says even an average person can become very successful if they learn how to concentrate. Start doing this from now to achieve success. Today, pick one thing you've been avoiding. It could be that course, that business idea, that blog post, anything. Set a timer for just 25 minutes. Turn off your phone. Sit down. Focus only on that one thing. That's how you train your brain to concentrate. Little by little, it becomes a superpower. If this episode hit home for you, wait till you read the full book. The Power of Concentration will teach you how to get your mind to obey you like a loyal PA. Don't just wish for a better life, concentrate your way into it. Get the book now, link is in the description. Your destiny deserves more than WhatsApp status updates. Coming up next, Episode 2. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications so you be the first to know when next we drop a new video.